honoring the icons of MCC Chakra, with the honor of Mr. Achapu, the tournament committee.
Honor to Mr. Anwar for his excellent support to the committee. ഈ ടൂർണമെന്റിനും MCC ചേറ്റുവ എന്ന കമ്മിറ്റിക്ക് വേണ്ടി ആദ്യം മുതൽ ഇതേ വരെ ആത്മാർത്ഥമായി പ്രവർത്തിച്ച നമ്മുടെ ഈ മെമ്പേഴ്സിന് MCC ചേറ്റുവ കമ്മിറ്റി കൊടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു അപ്രീസിയേഷൻ അവാർഡാണ്. അടുത്തായി ഞാൻ നൂറാസിന് വേണ്ടിയാണ്. അൻഷാദ് കമ്മിറ്റിയുടെ ഭാഗത്ത് നിന്ന് അൻഷാദ് തന്നെയാണ് അവാർഡ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. മിസ്റ്റർ പൊടി ഇസ്മായിൽ പൊടി, നമ്മുടെ ടൂർണമെന്റിന് വേണ്ടി സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്ത നമ്മുടെ സ്പോൺസേഴ്സിനെ ആദരിക്കുന്ന ചടങ്ങാണ്. ആദ്യമായി അജ്മാൻ സ്പോർട്സിന്റെ പ്രതിനിധി ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല. അടുത്തായി AG3 മിസ്റ്റർ കണ്ണൻ, inviting Mr. Shahjahan on behalf of Adil Yusuf, thanking him for support not only for this tournament, to many tournaments of this area. His wonderful contribution to the cricket as a sports and the fraternity of cricket. Thank you, Papan. On the stage to give away the honor to Mirax Perfumes, inviting representative of Mirax Perfumes to be on the stage. Unfortunately, he is not here. Honor of appreciation to Blue Sky Sports, Ragilbar. Also Sanat, Mr. Sanat is accounting. I'm inviting Moini to come to the stage to receive the award on behalf of Shiab from S. Inviting our other sponsor Nas Bakery, Mr. Sharif, to receive the award from Anwar. Mr. Suhail, representing Migration Link, I'm inviting Mr. Suhail to the stage to receive the honor of appreciation from MCC Chetua committee for sponsoring this event. I'm inviting Mr. Siraj Bhai to come to the stage to receive the award for on behalf of Blitz. Thank you so much, Blitz, for the support. And Towels, honor Mr. Nias to come to the stage to receive the honor of appreciation from Mr. Anshad. Thank you, Al Madina. Thank you, Nias. We would like to appreciate and thank to all the umpires, officials of this tournament who stood the whole day on this sandy and difficult situation. We would like to appreciate and give some mementos to you. Mr. Achapu will give those awards. Satyan, one first umpire. Mr. Nora. Those people who support the tournament. First of all, I would like to call Mr. Mujib from Voice of Mujib to receive the award from Mr. Noras. Mr. Ayub. Ayub, for your support for the tournament committee. We would like to see you next year. Thank you. Between KKS Vadakekad, MCC Mullasheri. Man of the match, Mr. Sangeet Hashmi, for his all-round performance, scoring 45 runs from 11 balls and bowling 2 overs for just 17 runs and securing 2 wickets. Between B-Star 11 versus Challengers Ainapuli, man of the match, Mr. Shabir. Next, I'm inviting Mr. Sabin Satyan to the stage. Sabin Satyan, the man of the match award for the match between Blue Sky 11 MCC Chetua. The man of the match goes to Mr. Agil Bhaskar for his all-round performance, scoring 32 runs from just 9 balls and 1 over 5 runs, securing 1 wicket. I'm calling Mr. Sachus to the stage to give you the Man of the Match award for the match between Paradise Cricket Club versus Echoes UAE. The Man of the Match, Mr. Shajar, for his all-round performance. He will be receiving the award on behalf of Shajar because he is not in this moment. To give the Man of the Match award for the match between Echoes UAE and Challengers Ainapoli. The Man of the Match, Mr. Shibil, securing 58 runs from just 21 balls, 4 fours and 6 sixes. Nihas to the stage to give away the Man of the Match award for the match between MCC Chetua and MCC Mullasheri. The Man of the Match, once again, Sangeeta Hashmi, again an all-round performance, 57 runs. 57 runs from just 18 balls and 2 overs, 21 runs and securing 1 wicket. Well played, Sangeet. Blue Sky versus KKS Wattegard. The Man of the Match is Mr. Rafi. Moinu. Once again, Moinu, thank you so much, Moinu, for your support. You will be receiving the award on behalf of Mr. Shahjahan. Shahjahan to the stage to give the Man of the Match award for the match between Paradise Cricket Club versus B-Star 11. Man of the Match, Mr. Basil, securing 62 runs from just 26 balls. Ismail Pudi to come to the stage to a Man of the Match award to a legendary cricket players of tournament of the cricket in UAE. The match between MCC Mullasheri versus Blue Sky 11. The Man of the Match, Mr. Tawfiq, bowling 2 overs, 15 runs and 3 wickets. The legendary cricket player of Trishul. Thank you so much. The Man of the Match award for the match between MCC Chetua versus KKS Wattegard. Man of the Match, Mr. Fasil, scoring 42 runs from just 21 balls. He's receiving an award on behalf of Mr. Fasil. Mr. Vishnu, to give away the Man of the Match award between B-Star 11 versus Echoes UAE. The Man of the Match, Mr. Riaz, scoring 20 runs in 5 balls and 2 overs, 2 runs and 3 wickets. Moinu is the most economical spell, 2 overs, 2 runs, 3 wickets. Mohammad Shoaib comes to the stage to give away the award, Man of the Match award for the match between Challengers Ainapoli versus Paradise Cricket. Man of the Match, once again, Basil, 46 runs from just 17 balls and securing 1 wicket. Nuras to give away the award for the first semi-final Man of the Match. Blue Sky versus Echoes UAE. The Man of the Match, Mr. Kunji. Amro will be coming collecting the award on behalf of Mr. Kunji. To the stage to give you the Man of the Match award for the match for the semi-final between MCC Mullasheri and Paradise Cricket. The Man of the Match goes to, once again, Sangeeta Hashmi, 37 runs from just 13 balls and bowling 1 over for just 12 runs. Once again, all-round performance from Sangeeta Hashmi, which lifted the team to the final. Here, his teammate will be receiving the award on behalf of Mr. Basil. Mr. Kunji from Blue Sky 11, best wicket keeper. Kunji, Mr. Kunji is not here. Best bowler, tournament best bowler award. Rahul Amro from Blue Sky 11, taken 7 wickets from 5 balls, 5 matches. Well bowled, Rahul Amro. Adda number award, best batsman of the tournament. This will be going to Mr. Sangeeta Hashmi. 3 matches, securing 118 runs. Strike rate of 327. ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ സിക്സ് അടിച്ച പ്ലെയറിലാണ്. This will be going again to Mr. Sangeet Hashmi. 11 sixes. He secured 11 sixes. There is Basilas has scored 11 sixes, but considering the average and strike rate, it is going to Sangeet Hashmi. Final man of the match between MCC Mulasheri and Blue Sky 11. Man of the match goes to Mr. Midun, scoring 24 runs in just 6 balls. Just set up the tune of the tournament and wonderful hitting. Super display of the most valuable player is Mr. Sangeet Hashmi. I'm inviting Mr. Anshaz to the stage to give the award to the MVP, most valuable player of this tournament, Sangeet Hashmi. I'm inviting Mr. Krish to come to the stage to give away the trophy to the second runner-up of this tournament, Paradise. Team to give away the trophy to the second runner-up, Team Echoes. I'm inviting the team team owner, Mr. Nihas, and our supporter Moinu to come to the stage and receive the award from Mr. Sharif. Inviting all the members of the runners team to come to the stage and receive the medal from the team tournament organizers one by one. We start with the captain, Mr. Shahjahan. Medal. We are giving the trophy first to Mr. Shahjahan, the captain, and inviting all the team members to come to the stage. Well played. Hard luck. It was a wonderful journey through the final. All the team members of MCC Mulasheri, thank you so much for your sporting spirit. Team Blue Sky, I'm inviting the captain, the owner of the tournament of this Blue Sky to receive the trophy from MCC J2 committee. The captain and Ragil Bhai, the management.
Capun,